What if asking for a diagram did not leave you with a flat picture, but with a board you could keep working on? This system starts with a plain English request, turns it into a shared canvas diagram, and can then turn that same board into a narrated video. We will trace the chain that makes those three outcomes fit together. The first frame is the input. A person asks in ordinary language, and the request becomes a diagram on the shared canvas. The next frame states the important constraint. Boxes, arrows, labels, charts, and doodles are real Excalidraw elements. Think of the result as a document made of movable pieces, rather than a screenshot of a document. Because the board is structured rather than flattened, it can be replayed as a visual essay. The video is not a separate illustration that merely resembles the board. It uses the same underlying content. That connection is what the rest of the system has to preserve. A single request crosses 6 participants: the human, the React app, a Vercel API route, OpenAI responses, a tool executor, and Excalidraw. Separating these roles makes the path intelligible. The app carries the request, the model proposes drawing actions, and the executor changes the scene.
The human asks to sketch a system. The app locks the canvas and reads the current board
before sending the prompt and available tools through the API route. That lock makes a turn a controlled edit. The system works from one current scene instead of competing edits. Responses stream drawing calls to the tool executor. Before the scene changes, Zod validates each call. Then the executor lays out and updates the scene in Excalidraw. It returns slugs and warnings, then a final summary travels back, and the canvas unlocks as one undo step. A language model can express what a diagram means, but absolute pixel placement is a brittle way to express it. Region graph gives named, nested regions, while local coordinates use a 0 to 100 space instead of screen pixels. That lets the model describe relationships without guessing the final canvas geometry. Next, a resolver, ELK, and generators compute real geometry from that semantic description. Reflow and collision repair then protect user placement when the layout needs adjustment. The final output is a native Excalidraw scene, so the result remains editable after the system has done its work. The AI first draws native elements with a progressive entrance. A human can then move, recolor, resize, or delete them. Scene Sync records the regions, slugs, and current positions, so the next prompt extends the latest board rather than an old copy. 3 supporting ideas keep that loop practical: local autosave, shared undo history, and a turn-taking lock. The lock seen earlier prevents an AI turn from colliding with a live edit. Together, these mechanisms treat the board as a shared working surface. The video pipeline begins with a draw ledger, the order in which elements should appear. A board snapshot supplies the elements and regions that exist now. From those inputs, structured script beats specify what to reveal and where the camera should focus. Each beat receives one wave file from text-to-speech. The system measures that audio rather than guessing its length, and that measured time drives the timing. This is why a camera move or a reveal can be paced around an explanation instead of around an arbitrary animation duration. The video compiler combines camera direction and captions. One remotion composition is both the preview and the export, then produces OTIO or OTIOZ alongside MP4 output. The result is reproducible because it comes from the board, the script, and measured audio. Here is the central mechanism. A prompt causes the app to draw its architecture. The board then provides the material for a script, and the app exports the demonstration. Everything shown in the video comes from the editable board used to render it. The memorable takeaway is simple. Keep the diagram as structured, editable content, and it can also become a guided explanation of itself. The model proposes meaning, deterministic tools make geometry, people retain control, and the same board supplies the video. That is why the demo can genuinely demonstrate the feature that made it.